Here, in a small neighborhood, on the outskirts of a small town, we see a prepubescent boy out in the yard. What is he doing? Nobody knows. Seems to be rummaging through the leaves and twerking. Why? Scientists have yet to understand these boys, as we may call them. It seems to be he is eating the oak leaves. Now, while he does chew on these leaves, they provide no nutritional value. He does not know this, nor does anyone understand. He is simply moronic, and that is all we know. What is he doing now? Don't ask me. I have no idea. And what is he doing now? Nobody knows. But he continues on. He will then go and bury himself in the leaf pile. Because now, crawling furthermore, we see him. What is he doing? We still don't know. And some more oak leaves. Delicious. He seems to enjoy them. What is that, you ask? Well, I don't know anymore. I don't even know what I'm doing here. More leaves? No, out the mouth. Very well. Continue on, child, you dumb child.
You are here, and you're an idiot.
Now we see another, younger child in the same general area. He is also frolicking through the yard, eating what seems to be maple leaves. Are they of any sustenance to him? No. But he merely mocks his older sibling. Why does he do this? He's an idiot. Continuing on, they will eat the leaves that provide them nothing. As the child continues to peruse the terrain, we must ask ourselves, what can we learn from his behavior? What can we gain? What knowledge and understanding? And that is absolutely nothing.
Can someone tell me what's going on?
You see, this animal right here is the most deadliest one, because if you get close to it, it'll literally rip you to shreds. And the reason it's deadly is because it takes its poke, puts it on its finger, and flicks it near you. It has poison in it, and type 3 diabetes, and stage 4 cancer.
What does that even mean? Like, why don't you tell, what?
That's why you don't want to get near these things, because you'll get poison, stage 3 cancer, and stage 4 diabetes. And this thing has 6 legs, is super retorted, and just dangerous.
What you just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard.
This right here is a prepubescent male. Its brain is as tiny as an acorn.
After all, his brain is the size of a walnut.
But if you get close enough, it can rip you to shreds with its brain power, even though it's super tiny and no one can see.
It can't be bargained with. It can't be reasoned with. It doesn't feel pity or remorse or fear. And it absolutely will not stop. Ever. Until you are dead.
That's what I'm talking about. He has no brain cells, but his brain is like a rock.
Wow. That is brutal.
Alright. Look at this beautiful creature. Look at his eyes, his stripes, they're just beautiful.
Okay.
But I think the moron has spotted his victim. I think he's getting ready to attack. Oh!
No one knows what it means.
Is everybody dumb?
You were literally too stupid to insult.
We have people that are stupid.